Hello, this is Jay Goodis, co-founder and CEO of Tax Templates Inc. I am going to walk you through some of the details of TTI's loan amortization worksheet. This worksheet produces detailed amortization schedules and transaction summaries by the payment range for a wide variety of financing arrangements. This worksheet is best understood through an example. So let's assume our client has taken a loan of $200,000. If there are any adjustments, we can add them or deduct them here. We then must include the date of origination. For this example, let's include July 1st, 2015. We then need to identify the payment timing, whether it be the end of the period or the beginning of the period. We'll leave it as the end of the period for this example, along with our annual interest rate. Let's include 5%. As we continue the detail, it's asking us for our compounds per year. We can include anything between 1 and 365. Let's assume semi-annual compound, so therefore twice per year. We then need to include our loan duration in years. For this example, let's presume a 5-year loan. As you can see, the payments per year are set at 12. Let's leave it like that as monthly payments, and the number of payments are 60 per year. Now we are done. If we scroll down below, we can see our amortization schedule. So for example, if we look at period 1 on August 1st, 2015, we have an opening balance of $200,000. We have to pay interest of $824.78. We have a total payment of $3,769.55, and our closing principal balance is $197,055.24. If I scroll further down the worksheet, we can see the details for all 60 payments. If at some point during the year our client made some extra payments, so let's assume on September 1st, 2016, an extra payment of $15,000 was paid, you will see that all of the numbers will automatically update. If we scroll to the right, we can see the amortization summary by specific payment ranges. The loan was taken out on July 1st, but let's assume our client has a December year end. So therefore, we're looking for all payments between July 1st, 2015 and December 1st, 2015. We will then give you all the detail for that select period. We can see that for the first year, we have 5 payments. Our interest was $4,001.97. That's also our aggregate, but as you can imagine, the aggregate increases as we go to the later years. Same idea with the principal. We see the principal paid in the first year along with the aggregate. And further off to the right, we also see the total payments for the first year and the aggregate, again, all the way down. If you have any questions about this worksheet, please feel free to email us at support@taxtemplates.ca.